It's your boy Brandon Lee, aka Crazy Cracker, coming back with you with a new unboxing LeBron James LA Lakers number 23 NBA basketball jersey. So I want to start with how nice this jersey is. He went ahead and came over to the Lakers, and sad to hear about Kobe. So I wanted to do this video to let everybody know how sincere I am about Kobe and everything like that. Also, I'm going to try to get a Kobe jersey, possibly a pair of Kobe shoes in the future. Good thing that LeBron, had talk with Kobe, and they had an inspirational talk, right before, unfortunately, before the helicopter tragedy and everything with his daughter and everything too. So I just hope that pray for the families and everything like that, and also the rest of the people that was on the helicopter. It's just a sad day. But anyway, I just wanted to do this video to show you the new jersey and to talk a little bit about Kobe and LeBron. And also, like I said, in the future, I'm going to try to get the Kobe jersey along with his shoes. So please stay tuned for more unboxing videos from me. I'm definitely going to be doing more jerseys in the future. So please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope everybody has a blessed day. And God bless.